Just more footage because it's crazy, but this truck came to come get that. But then they got stuck and they're stuck. Basically, they both stuck. I'm out of breath because we were just dived into the snow. Just having the time of his life. And Roger just doing some maintenance. Damn, the snow piled up that much? Holy shit, son. Holy crap. Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where you going?